And lastly, from 2023, I've got Pokemon, my Pokemon baking book. Hardcover. So you can bake with him in Insight Editions and learn how to be a Pokemon baker. Tiny ass index on this thing. Thank fuck it's 1 page. But it's by difficulty. So that's cool. Alright, so there's that index done. Let's get into these books. There's pages. Look, even Asha was sad as fuck. So there is table of contents. I wonder if it'll have pictures. Can't imagine. Ingredient guide. That's good. So it's divided by region. Oh boy. So you have at the top your difficulty, prep, rest, bake, yield, dietary notes. Cool. Oh, we're doing so good. We have one picture. Oh, okay. What the hell is that? Out of the damn book. Lots of multi-pages for some of the bigger recipes. Oh, cute. Oh, Togepi. Now, I've covered other Pokemon books on the channel. They were fun. But this one definitely feels like a waste of time. Page wasting time, honestly. Like, I don't know. That just looks like one giant rolled up turd. But mocha eclairs. That looks tasty. But like they waste so much page space. Like look at that. It's fucking wasted. Take that cunt out, put the cake in. Not hard to do. And they like dedicate so many excess pages to other recipes. Like what the fuck? Wow. That's disappointing. That's massively disappointing. Nipples. Oh my goodness, look at those titties. Oh, titty cookies. Oh, this book just got an A+ from me. That looks good. But yeah, they waste so much page space. Oh, God. Oh, good combo. But if you hate Pokemon, you're not going to like this. More page wasting. If you don't like that, you definitely going to like this. Thumbprint cookies? Man, that's fucking nipples. Shut up. Pierced nipples at that. Pierced nipples. Pierced. Pierced. Oh, my. It's like they put more emphasis and effort on certain recipes versus the other ones. Like, this is all you gotta do, and okay. It's cool that it's divided up by region. That's helpful. Although if they were super smart, they would have divided it up and set it up by difficulty. Instead of region. Because if you do it by difficulty, that is smarter and helps people, test their skills better. Start off easy, then work your way up to an expert recipe. I need a fucking bastard. I need a damn badge to turn these fucking pages. Jesus. And the names of some of these are just dumb. That looks like an angry Justin Bieber. Just like, wow, 3-tone shit. What are they supposed? They don't have. Okay, we shall. There we go. Double dipped Viennese cookies. 3-tone shit. It's 3-tone shit. I will make that and I will serve it and call it 3-tone shit. But yeah, I don't know. It's an interesting book. I may or may not get it. We shall see. And that's it. Like, damn. Yeah, that was a wasteful book, man. Like, fuck, dude. Oh, well. So, I got coloring pages. Stay tuned.